Hello everyone, welcome to our Vsmile channel. This is Holly. Today let's go to our partner's laboratory, Dentalsupplier. Let's see how our 3D prison how to work in the PM7 and the Redden. Have a look. Now this is our 3D prison in the mini process. In this, have a look here. The mini process is finished. I took these two crowns here that you see clearly. You see this is from the PM7 and this one is from the Redden. You can see very clearly about the details. You can see the crowns is very good.